Hey, what's going on, everyone? Bill here. Just doing a quick video. I had a problem with my 2007 Suburban's four-wheel drive 5.3 liter, and what was happening is I had a check engine light on, and my temperature gauge with the vehicle on was basically how you see it now. It wasn't showing anything at all, and I was getting a message saying that the engine right here saying that the engine was hot and that the AC was turned off. So it just started all of a sudden. Did a little looking around, and here's the pigtail to the coolant temperature sensor. As you can see, the wires are exposed, and what was happening is it wasn't getting a good connection. So, you know, I ended up buying a new coolant temperature sensor. I bought the whole sensor because it came with the pigtail. On the off chance that the sensor was bad, then I at least had both bases covered. But here's the part number. Got this from AutoZone. Comes with a lifetime warranty, and it came with a brand new pigtail. We're gonna take a look. So basically what I did was I just cut the existing wire right here, which is what that yellow is, that double yellow. Now there's one, you can see it's a slightly different color. You got like a lighter yellow, and then this brighter yellow right here, or faded yellow I should say, and then this brighter one here. I had to pay attention whenever I did cut the old wiring harness off to make sure I got those matched up correctly. But I just used, try to show it here. I just used a couple of heat shrinkable butt connectors to connect the two wires together, and then I just because I didn't cut it short, I didn't cut it to length to keep it short. I just wanted to leave extra wire in case if anything happened. I had some extra wire to work with in the future, but just took a couple of zip ties, zip tied it onto this harness here. And then as you can see, that's still the old sensor, and I got the new harness plugged in, and it looks good, and that's fixed the problem. So if you ever have that problem, just one thing to look at: double check your harness, make sure you don't have any broken wires or exposed wires, because it could be shorting out or not getting a connection. Another thing I've seen from other videos is the wiring harness up here. This wiring harness, sometimes it'll rub like on that post right there, on the bottom side. Mine has the bracket to keep it up off of the motor, and of course if it's rubbing on the bottom side, it can rub bare some of the wires and cause issues there as well. So check that. And then like here, it could possibly rub on this one here, but from what I can feel, nothing, it's not touching at all, so we're good. So just make sure nothing's rubbing, you don't have any bad connections anywhere, and you should be good to go. Now if that still doesn't fix the problem, then the next thing I would do would probably be to go ahead and replace that coolant sensor right there. So anyways, hope this video helps, and have a good day.